Hi guys, I am going to take you through my Aerogarden rescue mission. I recently reacquired an Aerogarden that I had back in 2010, 2011 from my parents. I got it originally as a Christmas present, and then I didn't use it for quite a few years until actually 2020, and it had been in my parents' garage for, well, that whole amount of time. And so I cleaned this sucker really good so I can start using it and I can start making salads and growing basil and just living my best life with this Aerogarden. So today I'm going to show you how to sanitize it before you start using it for your first crop, or if you're cleaning in between crops. So I will show you my process today, and it should be fun.
Okay guys, so I am just taking the hood off of my Aerogarden Classic 7 pod. You can unhook it there. I am struggling to get it off. There it goes. And one of the things you can do with these classic models to get more air into the water when you're actually planting is purchase something called an oxygen booster. It's about 16 bucks on the Aerogarden website. I'm taking off the top part of the bowl. And then I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the vinegar method. So I've just got vinegar, purchased it up at Aldi, and I'm using 12 cups. From things that I've read, they recommend 5, but I couldn't get, if I used less liquid, I wouldn't have been able to start the filter process. So I'm just using 12 cups of vinegar. You can also use bleach, but for that you will use a 1/4 cup of bleach for every gallon of water. And you can just put that in there. You can also use the dishwasher method. You just put everything in the top rack. You can even include the plugs, and then just run your dishwasher, and then you should be good to go too. And so after this, I'm going to put the top part back on, but oops, I forgot the filter. So I'm running to go get the filter. And it's also recommended that you change out filters every 6 to 8 months. You can buy them on the Aerogarden website. You can get a pack of 10 for under $7. And then to get the Aerogarden to start, I just plug it directly in. Oh, and I wanted you guys to hear kind of the ASMR beautiful sound of it actually filtering. And so you're going to let that vinegar filter through for 5 minutes. And to get in those little spaces, I just use a pipe cleaner. I went in there again and I just put it in a pipe cleaner, get the dirty stuff out. You're going to dump it out. You're going to put the bowl back in, and then you're just going to use, I used 12 cups of water to pour in there, and we're going to filter it through for another 5 minutes. You need to take that second set of water and pour it out, and then you should be good to go. Now you're probably asking, why even clean the water at all? Well, you clean and disinfect between every crop that you do, because you want to clean the pathogens, the plant pathogens, and that's just anything that can cause disease in a plant, and you want to keep those plants healthy and clean. That way you can keep eating salads, keep eating basil, just all the good stuff. And I just cleaned the top part of this with a little bit of water, a little bit of vinegar. I'm putting the arm back on, and when you're actually planting, you're going to want to replace your water every 4 to 6 weeks. And I love the top part of the bowl because you can just take that off even when the plants are in it and put it on top of a bucket and take that water out and clean it. That's my favorite part. It's my favorite part of the day anytime that light turns on.